Good morning everyone. So today we are going to have quick revision whatever we have done last class, right? So let's have quick revision. What I taught you, I gave you three concepts of sine concept, right? So let's have quick revision. I told you about multiply. When we do multiply, minus into minus and then plus into minus, then we have done plus into plus, right? And then we have done minus into plus. Let's have quick revision. Minus into minus, I taught you, that is plus. Then plus into minus, I taught you, that is minus. Then plus into plus, I taught you, beta, plus, right? So plus minus into minus, that is plus. Plus into minus, that is minus. Plus into plus, that is plus. Let's have one question which has all three concepts in it. Okay. Now I am writing minus 3. It should be in bracket. Here write minus, then plus 9, then here write minus 7, then write beta 3, then here write minus 4. Okay. So as I told you, when you try to open the bracket, that will be multiply sign when I remove the bracket. Okay. So minus into minus 3. You can write plus 9, then I am opening the bracket, 9 into minus 7, right? Then here is plus sign, write plus 3 into minus 4, I am opening the bracket, 3 into minus 4, right? So as I told you, minus into minus, that is plus. Here is minus into minus, that is 3. If you want to write, you can write plus, but before number we do not write plus. Okay? If there is no other number before it, right? So here write plus 3. Then plus you can write 9 multiplied by minus 7. So plus into minus, what will come? Plus into minus, what will come? Minus. So you can write here minus sign. 9 sevens are 63. Very good. Then plus into minus, what I am going to write here? Minus, because as I told you, plus into minus always minus. Okay, plus into minus always minus. So here 3 multiplied by minus 4, you will be getting minus 12. Understand? So we have completed all these three concepts. Here it is minus into minus, that is plus, plus into minus, that is minus, then plus into minus, that is minus. Okay. So what you can do the addition. Minus minus is here. Now you can do the addition. Here write 3 beta, then minus 63 minus 12. Always remember sign will come minus. You can plus it 3 2 5 6 1 7. Now you can subtract beta, but which is greater? Minus sign is greater. You can write here minus 72. Is there any doubt? All of you, James, tell me, do you have any doubt? Very good. So this is the concept of this scenario, these three concepts. Okay, the quick revision of this concept. Now what I am going to tell you, I will tell you about how we can do addition and subtraction with reminding this sign, while doing. Okay, how we can do it? Let's continue. So I am going to write beta here. If number comes minus 19 plus 10, if someone says what will be the answer? So always remember which is bigger, sign minus 1. Put your minus. Closing your eyes, you can directly put minus. Then 19, then do subtraction. Do not do addition because minus is greater, but you have to subtract it. You have to subtract it. That is minus 9. Understand? Next concept. If it is 3 minus 5, what will be the answer? I am subtracting, but sign will come minus. Minus is bigger, so write here minus. 3 minus 5, what you can write beta? You can write minus 2. Is there any doubt? No. If number comes 3 plus 5 minus 8. So first you see here beta 8 minus 8, as you know both are equal, you are subtracting, that will be 0. Understand? So this is the addition concept which we, addition and subtraction concept which we remember while solving the questions. Okay, let's have one more examples and one scenario which I am going to tell you. The scenario is, if minus greater than plus, this is greater sign. If minus greater than plus, always your sign will come minus. Do not forget. Keep in your mind. Okay. Next question. If plus is greater than minus, so always come plus. Keep in your mind. Now I am giving one by one example. If minus 10 plus 5, your sign is minus is greater than plus, minus is greater than plus, you can write minus 5. But operation will be subtraction. Okay. Here I am coming. If 10 minus 5 plus is greater, then you will be getting 5. No minus sign because plus is greater. If plus greater, you can write plus sign. If minus greater, you can write minus sign. Do you have any doubt till here? This is your sign concept part 2. Okay. In next class beta, we will have decimal concept. I am going to start decimal concept in last class, in coming class beta. And if you have any doubt, please ask any questions. Do you have any doubt? Supriya? Okay. Lakshmi? James? Rajiv? Okay. So I believe you all are clear. So this is the sign concept part 2 beta. And next we can have decimal concept. I will teach you from beginning. Okay. How we can do, how we can write, how we can convert decimals, any number into decimals. Okay. And please do not forget to subscribe this channel. You guys are excellent. Okay. Thank you.